Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving from Ligonier to New Kingston. So we are on Old Hope Road heading towards Trafalgar Road. So on the left is the Ligonier Post Office. The plaza is on the left with the Ligonier Post Office. On the right is a Sovereign Plaza. Does anybody know the name of that plaza that the post office is in? It has a name, but I just can't remember it right now. Okay, on the right is 100. It's a casino slash restaurant slash bar, and it's located at 100 Old Hope Road. So they just decided to name the entire facility 100, and a lot of persons have been doing that now. You find that they just name it after the address on the road. Like you have 58 Halfway Tree Road. It's another complex that has call centers. You have a lot of residential properties to just use the name. It's a very popular thing in Jamaica now. Alright, if we turn left here, we would go on to Donhead Avenue, and that would take us into the Ligonier area or the Golden Triangle area of Jamaica. And if we turn right, we would go on into the Sandhurst area. We're going to go straight and head towards the intersection of Old Hope Road and Trafalgar Road. On the left, coming up, where you see this white wall on the left here now, this is the Blue Cross building. It used to be actually, but Sagicor has taken it over now. But that building back in the day was called the Blue Cross building. Okay, I think I said we were on Old Hope Road. That was a mistake. This is Hope Road. Old Hope Road runs from Ligonier to Crossroads, while Hope Road runs from Ligonier to Halfway Tree. So this is Hope Road, not Old Hope Road. Okay, on the left is the Citibank building. I think this is their only branch in Jamaica now. But it's not, it's probably affiliated with the Citibank in the US, but it's two different banks. So you can't go into that branch and lodge money to your Citibank account in the US. But Citibank Jamaica would have its own accounts, and it's the same name but two different banks basically. If you wanted to send money or make a lodgement to your account in the US, you probably have to do it via wire transfer. It has to do with the banking laws. Okay, at the intersection straight ahead now where you see the stoplight, that's the intersection of Hope Road, which we are on. And if we were to turn left at the stoplight, we'd go on to Lady Musgrave Road. And if we turn right, we would go on to East King's House Road. And also at that stoplight, if we turn right, we could go drive into King's House. King's House is a historic building in Jamaica. That's where the Governor General of Jamaica lives. And the Governor General is the Queen's representative in Jamaica. The Queen is still the head of state in Jamaica. So anything that, like if you need to open Parliament, though it's not the Prime Minister of Jamaica that does it, it's the Governor General acting on behalf of the Queen. On the left now, they said the Medallion Hall Hotel and Bloomfield Jamaica Limited. So I'm not sure if it still operates as a hotel, because I've never really heard. I don't think I've ever been over there even for a function or anything. So I've never heard them advertise Medallion Hall Hotel anywhere. So if anybody knows if it still operates as a hotel, you can leave a comment in the section below. But it's definitely, let's see, not sure, there's a wall, so I can't really tell if cars are over there, but I can't remember ever hearing anything about that hotel, but maybe it does operate still, I'm not sure. Okay, on the right where you see those coconut trees, that's the entrance to King's house. Alright, so we're going to go straight and stay on Hope Road. Now on the left is a TGI Fridays. That's the same restaurant like TGI Fridays in the US. And it was actually, I think it's the only location they have in Jamaica, but TGI Fridays is a very popular fast food chain, and they have a lot of locations all over the world. They were actually one of the fastest growing franchises in America at one time. They actually, the concept that they have, where you have the bar and the restaurant, they were actually the first ones to come with that concept. And then other restaurants, well, a person saw the success that TGI Fridays was having, and other persons set up other restaurants with a similar concept. Alright, so on the right is Jamaica House. Not sure if you can see though. And Jamaica House, it's right, the property is right beside King's house. Okay, on the left is Arden Road, and that's most famous for the Arden High School that's located on that road. It's one of the top schools in Jamaica. Okay, on the right now is a police officers club. And if you need to have an event, you can rent out the grounds, and it's very popular for those kind of things. Okay, on the left now where that car is, that's the Arden Prep School. Okay, on the right where you see that blue wall, that's where Priory School used to be. Now, Priory was one of the top private schools in Jamaica at one time, but I'm not 100% sure but what happened, but the school I think went bankrupt and the government took it over, and it's now Liberty Academy. I don't think, it's not a private school anymore. Okay, on the left now we're coming up to the St. Andrew's, no, it's not St. Andrew, it's Andrews Memorial Hospital, and it's a private hospital in Jamaica, very popular hospital. Now on the same compound you have the Seventh-day Adventist Church Andrews Memorial, so the church is associated with the hospital. Okay, so where that car turned, that's the entrance to the facility. Okay, on the right, where you, when we pass the light, on the right where you see those trees, that's Devon House. And it's a very historic building in Jamaica. It used to be a great house back in the days of slavery, so this used to be a slave plantation. So the actual house still stands. You can take a tour through it. Nobody lives there, but you can take a tour. And on the grounds they have set up restaurants, very popular area. You have restaurants, you have shops. Basically tourists come take a tour out of a house, and you can go and eat ice cream. That's actually where Devon House ice cream started. That was their first location, and it's still over there. Very large facility now, but the Devon House ice cream became so popular that they actually set up stores all over Jamaica and sell it under the name Devon House ice cream. Also over there is like a park that have trees with benches where you can just go and relax. Okay, at this intersection now, if we turn left at the light, we'd go on to Trafalgar Road, and that takes us into New Kingston. If we turn right, that takes us onto Upper Waterloo Road, and if we go straight, we'd stay on Hope Road and head towards Halfway Tree. Now on the left is the Abbey Court Apartments, and straight ahead on the right, where you see that white building under construction, that's where a Burger King location is going. Alright guys, okay, we'll continue until it's just traffic now, so I guess that's it for the tour today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.